Hey YouTube fragrance family, it's been a while since I've done a video. As you can see, something has changed. Yes, the sweet beard has been shaved off. However, I still got my 5 o'clock shadow going on right now. Yeah, I was supposed to do this video back in June, so we're going to get a double dip this month in July. I'm going to have 2 of these. This is my subscriber's choice, basically type of video. So you saw me unbox these, I believe, back in May. Now it's time for you guys. This is all this video is all about, is for you to vote which one is going to get the spotlight first on my channel. Keep it tuned in. YouTube fragrance family, welcome to my June fragrance haul and subscriber's choice. A little late here in July. However, it is the start of July, so I'm a little late. All that means is you're going to get 2 videos of these this month. This is where you make your vote count in the comments below. Obviously, 1 comment per YouTube channel, where you can comment below and say which one you want me to review first. There's 4 bottles in front of me here, and I go with what you guys say, and then I give a first impression. So I wear it as my scent of the day, make a video, and then it goes in the queue for a fragrance review. And trust me, a fragrance that's number 1 on this video to number 4, we'll say this is number 1 and this is number 4. There's going to be a huge time lapse between those, so make your vote count in the comments section. So let's talk about this haul. First and foremost, before I get into that, I'd like to thank my partner in crime, FragranceX.com, for this haul. You can utilize my sweet code, my channel name, Robes08. And what you receive is 15% off on your purchase. There's no threshold. You can purchase just little samples and use my code, or you can do a mega haul for thousands of dollars and use my code. Some of these are in stock, some of these aren't from my haul. That's what happens with FragranceX, but one good thing about them is you can put your email in and they'll remind you right away when it's back in stock. They'll send you an email and then you can go and purchase it. So keep your eyes locked on some of these, especially this one right here, because of discontinuation. So if you haven't seen the unboxing video, I do an unboxing of these and I do a first impression on a piece of paper. That never tells the whole story, because I've had fragrances that smell, they don't give me anything on a piece of paper. I put them on skin and it's a whole different story. So I do have that video. It was shot in May 2019. I'll link that video down in the description if you feel like you want to hear a little bit of what I have to say about these. But of course, the upcoming videos on these, where I spotlight each one of them, is going to be much more important, a little more in depth about these fragrances, especially that scent of the day, where I wear this fragrance for the first day, and let you guys know about that. That's huge. And then of course my testing phase throughout to get the full fragrance review out. So anyway, let's run through these real quick. This video is not about describing these fragrances or anything like that. It's for me to just let you guys know what's in front of me here. So let's go from here to here. So this is from Givenchy. This is from their Gentleman series, and this is the EDP version. This is actually my very first purchase of that Gentleman series. When I unboxed this, I was actually really impressed with this fragrance, actually. So I think this is going to be a winner from the house of Givenchy. Next to it is, of course, the newest Terre d'Hermès. This one, of course, the Eau Intense Vetiver edition. It is also an EDP. This one, of course, composed by Nigel, not Elena. So it was one of those that I was really, I'm actually quite impressed with some of Nigel's fragrances. I know that she's getting bashed to crap in her fragrance community as what she's doing with Hermès, and I'm the biggest Elena guy out there, but I really feel like she's doing some pretty good work for Hermès. So if you want to vote for that one, you know what to do in the comments below. Next to it right here is from the historic house of Guerlain, and this is Ambre Éternel. through the grapevine, I've heard of this one is discontinued from the brand. So this is actually my first fragrance from that lineup. And I got it for that exact reason. I blind bought it just because I knew basically how limited it was going to be in the next coming year or so. This is the time to grab it. So I grabbed that one. Obviously, I don't own any other ones from that lineup, the Santal one, the Oud one, among others. So I'm really interested in seeing what this lineup can do from the House of Guerlain. If you want to hear that, of course, first, you know what to do in the comments below. And last but not least, of course, from the House of Amouage, a haul is never a successful haul unless it has an amouage in the lineup, and it's usually a very good haul when I have that. And this is Imitation Man. This one, a beautiful presentation, bottle, everything. I absolutely love my amouages. When they release a new fragrance, you guys know I'm just like clockwork. I purchase them blindly. I don't really care. I'm a huge amouage guy. So anyway, that is my haul, and it's up to you. Let me know in the comments below which one you're going to choose to be the first one reviewed on my channel. Again, your comment is only for one of these. I'd love to hear or actually see in your comment why you chose that particular fragrance and why you want it to be first out of the 4. It's really interesting to see just the backstory of you guys, why you want to hear certain things. Maybe there's not enough reviews on this guy right here, or you're thinking of blind purchasing it and you just want to hear my take on it first. It's just those interesting backstories. So again, I can't wait to see what the comments below are going to give me. If you have a chance, please hit the like button. I certainly appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? What are you waiting for? While you're there, might as well hit that bell so you can see all my videos coming through. So anyway, thank you for the support, fragrance community. I'll be back with another one. I do have a upcoming Fragrance X haul coming up. I'm probably going to shoot that video in the next few days. So thank you so much. I can't wait to see what you guys are going to vote, and keep it tuned in. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, YouTube.